Through holes allow wire pairs to be inserted through front of connector for faster terminations. Easy to verify wire sequence. Reduces scrap by eliminating wasted crimps. FCC and RoHS compliant and UL listed. Manufactured in the USA. The Platinum 2003J is a CAT55e connector that simplifies twisted pair terminations by allowing the wires to be inserted through the connector and out the front, easily verifying the proper wiring order. Pulling the connector down over the cable jacket and seating it tightly in the rear of the connector optimizes electrical performance of the termination. Reducing the distance between the wire twists and contacts also improves performance. Terminate with the patented EZ-RJ45 Crimp Tools, not included, crimp and trim in one cycle. It works with solid or stranded wire separate connectors not required, reducing inventory and confusion. The 2003J comes as a jar of 100. Platinum Tools, founded in 1997, was created based upon two very simple objectives. First, develop, manufacture and source the absolute best possible solutions for preparation, installation and hand termination of wire and cable. Second, implement an operational infrastructure that can deliver these products in an efficient, timely and high-quality manner. This item is not sold directly by Platinum Tools. Top reviews from the United States. A little more expensive, but worth every penny. It is such a brilliantly simple concept. I can't understand why it took so long to invent these things, nor why they have not become a universal standard. The simple trick of allowing the wires to extend beyond the end of the connector, to be trimmed after crimping, makes these far easier and quicker to fit, takes about half the time, than conventional RJ45 connectors.